What if TSA security wasn't stressful? What if you breezed through every time while everyone else was unpacking their bags and taking off their shoes? That's not luck, that's knowledge. I'm Travel-Hackster. These are 13 TSA secrets that make airport security easy in 2026. And stay for secret number 9. It's the one thing TSA agents say most passengers get completely wrong every single time. Here's what most travelers don't understand. TSA has a system, a very specific system, and the agents are not going to explain it to you while you're holding up the line. That's not their job. But once you know the system, every security checkpoint becomes the easiest part of your trip. Secret number 1. The 311 rule is stricter than most passengers realize. 3.4 ounces per container, 1 quart-size clear bag, 1 bag per passenger, not 2, not a bigger bag, 1, and it must be completely clear. A frosted bag, a tinted bag, a decorative bag, any of them can be flagged. TSA agents are specifically trained to catch this. Get it wrong and your entire line slows down, and you're the reason. 1 bag, clear only. Secret number 2. Remove your laptop, but only in the standard security lane. TSA pre-check passengers keep their laptop inside their bag. Standard lane passengers must remove it and place it alone in its own bin. Most people don't know which rule applies to them. Get it wrong and your bag gets sent back through the scanner. That's 3 to 5 extra minutes. Gone. Know which lane you're in before you reach the belt. Secret number 3. Solid food is allowed through security. Liquid food is not. A sandwich? Fine. A bag of chips? Fine. Soup? No. Yogurt? No. Peanut butter? No. Hummus? No. Applesauce? No. All of those are classified as liquids by TSA. This confuses thousands of travelers every single day. Simple rule: if it pours, spreads, pumps, or flows, TSA treats it as a liquid. Solid is fine. Spreadable is not. Secret number 4. Wear shoes you can slip off in under 5 seconds. Laces take time. Buckles take time. And in the standard security lane, every second counts. This isn't about style. It's about speed. Slip-ons, loafers, easy sneakers. The fastest travelers through TSA always have easy shoes. If you insist on boots or lace-ups, loosen them in line before you get to the belt. Save everyone, including yourself, the wait. 4 down. 9 more secrets to go. And secret number 9 is still coming. The one thing TSA says most passengers consistently get wrong. Keep watching. If you're learning something right now that's going to save you time at your next airport, hit that subscribe button. Travel-Hackster publishes the insider airport and airline secrets that no airline website will ever post. Hit the bell so you never miss one. Back to the secrets. Secret number 5. When you step into the full-body scanner, do not move at all. Hands up in the triangle position. Feet shoulder-width apart on the yellow footprints. Eyes forward, body still. Any movement, shifting weight, scratching, adjusting, can trigger a secondary screening. That means a manual pat-down, more time, more delay, possibly missing your flight. 10 seconds of stillness. That's all it takes. Secret number 6. Have your ID and boarding pass ready before you reach the document checker. Not when you're standing in front of them. At least 30 feet before you get there. Travelers who dig through their bags or scroll through their phone at the podium hold up the entire line. They get noticed, and they slow themselves down. Pull everything out while you're still in line. Walk up ready. Walk through fast. Secret number 7. The hand swab test for explosive traces looks random. It's not entirely random. TSA agents are trained to flag certain behaviors that increase the likelihood of a swab. Nervous behavior, excessive checking of bags, traveling one way with only cash, last-minute ticket purchases. If you get flagged, stay calm, answer questions directly, and put your hands out flat for the swab. Getting anxious or combative turns a 90-second process into a much longer one. Secret number 8. Prescription medications, including liquid medications, are exempt from the 311 rule. You do not need to put your prescription liquids in your quart-size bag. They go in a separate bin, clearly labeled. You may need to declare them when going through security. TSA can ask you to open them for visual inspection, but they cannot be confiscated solely for exceeding 3.4 ounces. This rule applies to insulin, liquid antibiotics, eye drops, and other medically necessary liquids. Know this. Use it. And here it is. Secret number 9. The one thing TSA says most passengers get completely wrong. It's how you load your security bin. Most travelers throw everything in randomly. Shoes on top of jackets, bags sideways, laptops buried. That forces the scanner to make multiple passes because the X-ray can't read through overlapping dense items. Load your bin like this: jacket flat on the bottom, shoes upright on the sides, bag centered and open. Laptop alone in its own bin, water bottle out, everything visible from above. This single change makes you go through in one pass instead of 2 or 3. Fastest travelers in any airport do this instinctively. 4 more secrets, including one that TSA agents say could actually get you pulled aside even when you've done nothing wrong. Don't leave yet. Secret number 10. TSA PreCheck currently costs $85 for 5 years. That is $17 a year to skip the regular line. Keep your shoes on, keep your laptop in your bag, and skip the full-body scanner. That price has already gone up once. It will likely go up again. If you fly more than twice a year, the math is obvious. Apply before the next price increase. The ROI on this is immediate. Secret number 11. The wheels on your rolling carry-on can trigger a secondary scan. The dense metal bearings inside luggage wheels look suspicious on X-ray, especially if they're positioned directly over other items in the bag. When placing your rolling bag on the belt, put it on its side with the wheels facing up or toward the X-ray technician. This gives them a cleaner read. Fewer secondary scans, faster through. Secret number 12. The single fastest way through airport security has nothing to do with pre-check or global entry. It's timing. TSA checkpoints between 5 and 6:30 in the morning move 3 to 5 times faster than peak times. Same applies to late evening flights after 9 p.m. If you have any flexibility in your departure time, the early morning flights don't just move faster at security. They board on time more often, they have less turbulence, and your bags are less likely to get lost. The early flight is almost always the better flight. Secret number 13. TSA has a free app called My TSA. It shows real-time estimated security wait times for every airport in the country. Most travelers have never heard of it. You can check wait times before you leave for the airport. You can compare checkpoints inside the same airport, because some are dramatically shorter than others depending on your terminal. Download it before your next flight. It has saved travelers hours. 13 TSA secrets. The ones that turn security from the worst part of your trip into a non-event. We break down exactly what airlines secretly charge you for and how to stop paying for all of it. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to hear more travel hacks and tips. This is Travel-Hackster. See you on the next video.